March 5th. I came into my office. On the lap, I came in. I found this on my desk. So my staffs gave me this. So she surprised me. Her name is Tanya. A big surprise. So I gave her a hug. I'm so surprised that she gave me this. She's really thinking about me. She said every time we have trading, my phone was just laying down there. So now she got me one. Thank you, Tanya. I appreciate it. Appreciation. So I appreciate it. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a small TV that has a stand. Really not like this. So very nice. Thank you, Tanya. Very nice. Thank you, Tanya. See, little things like this is a big thing for me. But they appreciate me as a manager, as a supervisor.